Hey everyone, it's Leslie here. I just finished filming this look right here. The main attraction are the eyes. As you can see, it's more of like a red eyeshadow look that I have going today with some browns and a smoky sort of wing liner and some falsies. I basically just used two eyeshadows. I used Copper Glow and Espresso from Mary Kay. I would have definitely filmed a much more appropriate intro to this video, but I have to go but yeah, since I have to go, I had to do this really quick intro. But yeah, I really hope you guys like this look, and if you do, continue watching. Thank you.
And so we're going to be starting off already with foundation and concealer, and I will be applying right there the Cover FX liquid highlight. The color is Moonlight. And I start off with my Kat Von D Woodland contour color for the crease area, more just for a transition color. And I am jumping right into Copper Glow. It is the perfect everyday copper color for the lids. It's not too foiled, not too vibrant. I like to even wear this to work, or if it's like an office setting, and I feel comfortable in it. I feel like I'm not drawing too much attention either. But yeah, perfect color. I love it. As you can see, my little preview right there. And then I just start deepening the crease area with my Espresso eyeshadow color from Mary Kay as well. I start off with a little bit, and then I deepen it more and more as I go with a little bit of product, little by little. My method really is just, looking and comparing both eyes, and if I like how deep they are and if they're even, that's when I decide to just stop. And to deepen the eyelid, the outer eyelid even more, I use that dense brush, and I pack on not too much of the brown, or the espresso color I should say, in those areas. It's really to your liking of how deep, how brown, how dark even you want it. I kind of wanted a subtle sort of smoky red, bronzy eye today, so that's kind of what I'm aiming for. And yeah, I'm just tight lining to make my lashes look more full, or give it that illusion. And then just giving a thin line on my top part right there. I know I'm definitely not angled correctly for you guys to see, but there's not much to see. I'm just doing a very thin line. I don't, for this look at least, I don't want a thick sort of lining. Natural sort of wing, all I do is I use that same eyeliner. This is the Color Stay Revlon deep brown eyeliner. I use this eyeliner, and I kind of just flick it outwards. I don't worry too much about it being some sort of precise pointing wing at the end, because that is what I use this right there for. This angled brush, it's quite, I don't know, is the word dense correct? It's quite dense, I guess. And so it helps me sort of, give or form really the wing. I then just deepen the wing a bit more with some black eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is from the Naked 2 palette. I then switch to the e.l.f. angled brush this time. It's a little different. It's a bit fluffier in a way, just to smoke out this wing, not to make it too much of a perfect wing. I like the smoky sort of effect for this sort of look at least. And this brush is actually a lip brush, but I use it for under my eyes to smoke out that area. I am using the Espresso color, the Mary Kay Deep Brown color. This Urban Decay color in Foxy. It's like a off yellow white color that I use for under my brows, just to kind of define and highlight that area. And after popping on my lashes, I just combine my natural lashes with the fake lashes using some of my Maybelline Hydrofuge mascara. After applying my peachy sort of blush color on my cheeks, I then use that same brush to highlight my face with my favorite highlighter at the moment. It is the Becca Cosmetics Opal color. I also just put some in the inner corners of my eyes just to give it that pop. Also apply that opal color right there, the highest sort of area of my arch. I forgot the name of this lip liner. It's a lip liner from Mary Kay. I'll put down the details down below, but it's more, you know, like of a mauvey brown color with maybe some like berry undertones. So I put that all over my lips. I make sure to line it properly though, and then I use Divine Wine from L'Oreal just to give it a bit more moisture, just because the Mary Kay lip liner is a bit too mattifying for my lips. And lastly, I'm just brushing off any sort of excess product on my face with this clean fluffy brush from e.l.f. and then just setting my face with my favorite setting spray from NYX. It's the mattifying version. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching.